What is going on, everybody? We are back with another AI video. Today, I'm going to be showing off a personal favorite AI platform of mine. It is RunwayML. It's an amazing all-in-one AI tool, which is perfect for content creators. Within Runway, there's about 20 plus built-in AI tools right within the platform, including Gen 3 alpha video generation, image to video, background removal, and inpainting. And today I'm going to be covering a few of my favorite ones. Now, getting started is super easy. Just head on over to runwayml.com and click on Get Started at the very top. Now, after you create an account and log in, this is going to land you on the main page, and it can feel a little bit daunting to begin with. If you just come on over to the bottom left here and click on the Help Center, let's go ahead and click that. This is going to be the perfect hub to look up documentation, tutorials, tools, and tips to help me with whatever I might want help with. So everything is in this help center here. Let's just come on over to the main page here. And if you just scroll down, just go ahead and click on View All Tools. And this is where we're going to look at all the different tools within RunwayML, and there is quite a bit of them to go through here. So let's just jump into things. We're going to start off with the image to video. So just come on over here to the generative session. Let's just click on this right here. All right, and we're going to start off keeping things super simple here. So we are going to upload an image, and the image can literally be anything. I'm going to go with this perfume bottle here. It's a really good looking picture. I want to try to bring it to life, and we are going to see what we get up to here. I'm just going to take my image. I'm going to drag it right into the interface here, and it is uploading right now. We're just going to adjust the field of view a little bit here. I think that's a perfect shot. And then we're going to go ahead and hit crop. If you look in the little description box here, we get the option to describe our shot, and we can either view the guide or examples. It also lets us know that this is optional. And the reason I'm mentioning that is because we are going to leave the description blank here because, believe it or not, leaving the output blank yields some incredible results. What we're doing here is we're just letting RunwayML analyze the image and kind of use its best discretion in prompting this image and bringing it to life here. So let's go ahead and click generate. It's the moment of truth. Let's see what we got. All right, so this image looks incredible. I already knew beforehand that uploading a picture with smoke in the background, that Runway was going to do a really good job with bringing realistic motion to that. The bottle looks awesome, and we can even see the color of the perfume actually come to life a little bit more. Now, if I want to reroll the image, what I can do is just come on over to generate, and I can hit this a few more times. So every time you hit generate here, you're going to get a slightly different version. So let's go ahead and hit this a few more times here. So here is another version, also looking amazing. The smoke is much more uniform in this one. Everything else looks super fluid, super clean. This video is brought to you by Growth School. 2024 saw record highs of unemployment and layoffs, and this trend is not looking any better for 2025. Even if you have a stable job today, tomorrow is always uncertain. Scary, right? But there's a way to protect yourself and your family. I'm talking about building passive income streams, all done through learning and leveraging cutting-edge AI to earn an extra 10K every month. Growth School is currently offering 3-hour hands-on AI training. You'll learn how to use over 25 plus AI tools, making you irreplaceable no matter how rough the job market is looking. This AI training isn't just for techies. Whether you're in finance, marketing, sales, HR, or you're just a student, this AI training is for you. Growth School has helped over 1 million people upskill across the globe. This is your chance to join the top 1% who are mastering AI to the fullest. So click the link below, reserve your spot, and join the top 1%. Here's the best part. This training is normally paid, but it's going to be exclusively free for the first 1,000 registrations who join using the link below. On top of that, registrars will also receive a free $500 bonus worth of extra resources. So make sure you safeguard your future by heading over to the link in the description and registering today. Also, don't forget to join the official Growth School's WhatsApp channel below so you don't miss out on any future updates. Let's go with another image here. So let's try this one on for size. So just like before, I'm going to take it and drag it into my interface here, and it is uploading. It's doing its thing. Same as before, we're going to keep everything stock, and we're going to leave the description blank here, and we're going to hit generate. All right, moment of truth. All right, that is just simply epic. So we have a knight here holding his sword. He's staying fairly static, and we could see a bit of fire rising up underneath him. His cape slowly lifts up, and he slowly looks up to the camera. This is a winner right here. Let's go ahead and generate another one just for good measure here. So we'll just come on over here and hit the button. All right, so another solid one. This one is much more static, as you can see. He's not really moving at all here, but we're we're getting a really intense effect here with the fire as he's looking down into the fire. This really goes to show, in my opinion, the power of this tool in bringing an image to life. You can really take any image and turn it into an epic video here. It is time for the next tool here, also a personal favorite. We're going to be jumping into the remove background tool. So just come on over to the home section here and just scroll down a little bit until you see it remove background. Just go ahead and click that. Now, if you're a content creator, you'll know that the number of times that you come across a piece of footage where you need to remove the background comes up more often than not. We're going to take a subject from a video clip and we're going to remove that subject from that video environment with the click of a button here. And this is the clip that we're going to use today.
That's amazing. Morning.
Pretty iconic clip. If you know, you know. Let's go ahead and take our clip and drag it right into the interface here. All right, so my clip is loading up in the interface here. I can see a little playhead at the bottom of the screen. If I take my mouse cursor, I can actually scrub through the playhead here. We are just gonna scrub through the playhead a little bit here until we get a good opportunity to pull the subject from the background. I'm just trying to pick the spot where the contrast is the best here. This looks like a pretty good spot here. I'm just gonna come over to my subject here and we're gonna go ahead and click on Patrick here. All right, so as you can see, it masked about half of him. So we're just gonna click to the left here now, over here. A little bit better, we're gonna click over here. We're gonna click right there, and then a little bit over here. All right, so I have masked our subject for the most part here. Now, if we scrub through the playhead here, we can see that the AI has intelligently identified what the subject is, even as the video is progressing here. So this is amazing stuff here. All right, so now this looks pretty solid here. So I'm gonna go ahead and come over to the right-hand side. So there's a couple of options here. If I wanted to go ahead and take a brush and just refine the masked area, I could either include or exclude certain sections there. I'm pretty happy with this, so let's leave it be. Now, once we are done with masking, just come over to the top right and click on Done Masking. Now, this is the next stage here, so we can actually go ahead and click on this button here, and we could preview our clip.
That's amazing. Morning.
Let's go ahead and hit export in the top right here, and we're going to export our video. Export submitted, view it in the assets page, click right here. If we just navigate to home and then down to assets and click private, we're going to see all of our previously generated assets here. And if we click in the top left here, we can see our Patrick Bateman subject removal. Let's just go ahead and click this. Now, it does have a green screen here, but we want to take this to the next level here. So I've just gone ahead and downloaded this. I've gone ahead and stuck this into a video editor, and I have replaced the background here. So let's go ahead and watch that.
Morning.
Come on, how cool is that? With just a couple of clicks here, you can take a subject from a video and you could stick it into a totally different environment. All right, so there it is, a couple of my favorite AI tools within RunwayML. Now, RunwayML can make your life a whole lot easier, especially if you're a content creator. Now, keep in mind, I only showed off a couple of tools today, but as I mentioned earlier, there is a whole host of AI tools within this platform waiting to be discovered and waiting to be used. So if you want to check things out, the link is going to be in the description as always, and good luck with your creations.